Hey, what's up? This is Chris, and today we are going to unbox and check out this DROP CSTM80, custom 80, and got this kind of on a whim because it has these removable tops. So, this being the white top, I want to take this off and paint it and do some cool custom things to it, order another white one, do some things to it, and just kind of use this to play around with and have a little fun. So let's take this out, see what it's all about, just in stock form, and then as I update it and paint it and do some things with it, we'll do some more videos. So let's check this out. All right, so what do we got here? We have the warranty quick start guide. We have the keycap puller, cable, pretty standard. Safety and compliance information, switch puller. Oh, we got something hiding down in here. Oh, Mac keycaps. And then we have some extra gaskets. Looks like there's two in here. It's wrapped in this paper, which I appreciate, honestly. It beats the heck out of plastic. So I was like, this is a little different, but for the better. This is cool. And that is a very nice white. I was going to say it's almost got some sparkle to it, but I don't think so. It's almost, almost like a pearl white. And you can see the legends are side printed, but from the top it looks plain, which is a cool effect. Those side printed legends. I mean, from my vantage point looking down, it's, absolutely perfect. As far as being able to be legible. Let's see what it sounds like real quick, and then we'll take it apart. The switches are KS-3 Milky yellows, a really nice switch, linear. It's got a very, I'm guessing the foam is doing a lot of work in here because I feel like the sound is a tad muted as far as the character of the sound. Probably going to take the foam out because I want it to get a bit more character. But for being pre-built straight out of the box, the mods, the space bar, maybe, the spacebar could use a little work. But I like this feel right out of the box. And there we go. So you can see we have the embedded magnets in the case. And this white is going to be real fun to work on as a white, as far as a base to do some gradients and things, which is cool. And then here's the board itself. So it looks like we have these screws. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 around. This is probably what I would consider the real top case. So this is what the PCB plate is floating between the top and the bottom case. So let's take those screws out real quick, see what's going on. All right, there we go. We got the screws out. Let's lift this off. And then this is a secondary piece of plastic. This has the magnet catches, the 4 of them there, which is what the top case adheres to, which is a really nice system. So the PCB has the daughter board built into it, so there is no ribbon cable. That's nice. So the gaskets are little nubs on the bottom, sort of like stem poles. Let's look at the bottom of the case here. We'll set this aside. We have case foam, and then we have a chunk of silicone here. That's providing some of the weight. There's also this, what looks to be brushed aluminum weight here. This is very nice. So what I think I'm going to do is start by taking out this foam. In order to get the rest of the foam out, we're going to have to take the keycaps and the switches completely off so we can pop the plate off so we can get the other two pieces of foam out. So we'll start with that. We'll stick it all back together and we'll do another sound test, and then I'm going to do some more experimenting on this and we'll do another video. Case top back on. That's cool. I do like that. All right, and then let's see how much of a difference just taking that case foam out did. All right, there you have it. I mean, maybe you can hear personally, I feel like it's a little bit louder, which I enjoy. There's nothing bad that came with the sound now. If anything, it just got a little sharper, a little louder. This is a true out-of-the-box sound. We'll work on the space bar. We're going to do some fun things with the case. We're going to do some fun things with the keycaps. So this is going to be, as it's in the name, our custom board. So again, this is the DROP CSTM80, and its cool feature is the cases can be removed and replaced. So we're going to do some fun custom things on this. Thanks for checking this out. Take it easy. Peace.